Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the file and making a copy. Don't risk the original. Once copied, identify container and codecs so you know what you're removing. If you use FFmpeg, open a terminal. If you prefer a GUI, open your editor's export panel. The first actionable step is running a light probe or the media inspector to confirm audio stream index, because the removal command needs that exact stream number. Make sure the destination has enough disk space before proceeding. Now remove the audio. With FFmpeg, run a single-line command that maps only the video stream and copies it without re-encoding. That preserves quality and is fast. For example, map the video stream, exclude audio, and write to a new file. If you use a visual editor, mute the audio track and export using a lossless or same codec preset. Once finished, verify the new file plays with no sound and that the video frames match the original timeline. Finish by validating the output across players and checking stream counts. Make sure there are 0 audio streams. If you still hear sound, reopen your probe and rerun with an or explicitly map 0 and overwrite the file. Mismatched stream indexes often cause failures. If container quirks persist, remux into MP4 or MKV first, then repeat removal. Save the exact working command and keep the backup, because reproducibility saves time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.